Hi guys, welcome. So to make your headband, you will need your foam, and this foam right here is 1/4 inch right on the width side. You also need your piece of fabric, your hot glue gun right here, your brooch or your buckle, and also my Alice band. I actually covered up my Alice band with my foam, and of course the next thing to do is to measure up your fabric. The measurement of my fabric is 21 inches length by 8 inches width, and of course I need 2 pieces of this fabric. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick each of this fabric, fold them with the right side facing each other, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a straight sewing or a straight stitch right here on the sewing machine. Don't forget, what you do for the first piece, you also do for the second piece. Then you turn each piece inside out like so, and then you insert another piece of foam into it, just the way I did for this piece right here. So if you're wondering what the measurement of the foam is, the measurement of the foam that I have right here on my table is 3.5 inches width. Okay, so just because my fabric has been turned inside out, I'm going to insert this into the piece of fabric. Now I have my 2 pieces with the foam inserted. So I cut out another piece of fabric right here in front of me that is about 21 inches long, and the width is 5 inches, which I'm going to be using to cover up my Alice band right here. It's very easy. I'm just going to use my hot glue to do this covering. Now I'm done covering the headband, and I've cut off the excess, and I'm just going to cover up this part neatly using my felt. You can use ribbon or whatever it is that you can find around you. This is how it looks right here. So the next thing is to cross my 2 pieces. I just did a regular cross. I pulled it together and ensure that your knot is centered, meaning that let your knot be placed in the middle of your Alice band, just like this. Okay, awesome. This is what I have. So one side is going to have the twist and the other side is going to have the buckle. So just watch me as I do this. Now you see how I glued this part to the Alice band and how I wrapped up the edges right here. So now let's move on to the other side, which will have the twist. Before I twist, I'd like to say that you might decide to leave yours the way it is, okay? Just go ahead and wrap it up the same way I did for this one and you are good to go. But for me, I just like to try something absolutely new, and I'm just going to try out the twist to see how it turns out to be. Talk about how I wrapped this place. So I just twisted it and I covered it up the same way I covered this part. It's pretty easy, okay? So just go ahead and work with the same measurements and get creative and do whatever you like with what I have taught you. Now to cover up those edges right here, I just picked up the leftover from the piece that I cut out from there, and then I'm just folding the raw edges in on both sides. Okay, and you don't want it to be too wide, and I'm just going to use this to cover up my edges right here. So just watch me as I do this. Now that is how we do our headband. So click like and share, and please don't forget to follow for more free video tutorials on your beautiful headwears. I can't wait to see your designs. Bye for now. Please send me your designs. You can also comment if there's any other design that you would like me to teach. My name is Angela. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.